Hey Fantastics, welcome back to my channel. So Fantastics, as you guys can see on your screens, this is my new channel Farhana Nusrat, and this is a very special channel. You guys have been requesting me to make videos on how to make videos on YouTube, how to edit and how to make videos on your phone, and how, like, so many questions like how you edit your videos on your phone and how you always edit your thumbnail on your phone, and like so many more questions. So this is a new channel where I am going to talk about all the techniques and all the strategies I use for my YouTube channel for free. You guys, this is not paid or anything like that. You just need to go and subscribe to my new channel, link in the description. और वहाँ पे मैं बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस करने वाली हूँ एंड बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के वीडियोस लेके आने वाली हूँ मैं आपके लिए, all about YouTube and all reactions and like literally so many things. And I am also going to do so many food ASMRs and also some health and beauty stuff, so you don't want to miss that. And I am also going to be telling you how teenagers can make money and so many more interesting topics. So if you guys don't want to miss that, today after this video that channel will be premiered, so you guys can go from the first link in the description. And yeah guys, that's all. Now you guys can enjoy the video. हे फैंटास्टिक्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? मैं बहुत 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 अच्छी हूँ गाइस. सो टुडे आई एम मेकिंग, एज यू गाइज माइट हैव सीन बाय द थंबनेल, मैं बनाने वाली हूँ सुपर जिगली वाटर स्लाइम विच इज नो बोरॉक्स एज वेल. सो या गाइज, लेट्स सी कि हम लोग ये आज की स्लाइम कैसे बनाते हैं. लेट्स सी कि हमारी स्लाइम कितनी क्लियर बनती है. So Fantastics, make sure you guys give this video a like and please subscribe if you guys haven't already. And yeah guys, that's all. Without talking much, let's get started. So Fantastics, first step is you have to make sure जिसमें भी आप slime बना रहे हो वो वाला bowl and spoon and everything that you are making slime with is super clear जब भी हम लोग clear slime बना रहे हो. Otherwise हमारी slime बहुत ज़्यादा गंदी हो सकती है. तो जो फर्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट है वो है ऑब्वियसली क्लियर ग्लू. आई एम यूजिंग दिस क्लियर ग्लू, यकी साइंस क्लियर ग्लू. या लेट्स pour. हमें इसमें ज़्यादा क्लियर ग्लू नहीं चाहिए गाइस, बहुत थोड़ा सा चाहिए, like this much as you guys can see. And yeah, you guys can use anything, you don't have to use clear glue. आप लोग इसमें फेविगम भी यूज कर सकते हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू एड दिस ब्लू फूड कलरिंग यूज करे मुझे बहुत टाइम हो गया था, सो आई एम यूजिंग दिस वन. और क्योंकि वाटर स्लाइम है तो ब्लू बहुत सुंदर दिखेगा. जस्ट अ लिटिल ड्रॉप, दैट्स इट, एंड वन स्मॉल ड्रॉप एज वेल, क्योंकि हम लोग इसमें बहुत सारा पानी ऐड करने वाले हैं बिकॉज दिस इज अ वाटर स्लाइम. सो या लेट्स मिक्स. और हमें इसमें कलर, और अगर आपको उसमें फ्रेग्रेंस ऐड करनी है तो फ्रेग्रेंस वाटर ऐड करने से पहले ही डालनी है. सो या लेट्स मिक्स नाउ. This looks so good, you guys. We need to mix everything together. As you guys can see, this looks so good. Oh my god. Blue is such a nice color, you guys. So now, अब हम लोग इसमें जो मेन इंग्रेडिएंट है, बिकॉज दिस इज अ वाटर स्लाइम, हम लोग इसमें पानी ऐड करेंगे ऑलमोस्ट दिस मच. सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी सुपर जिगली स्लाइम. A lot of water, like literally a lot. So now is the main task. We need to mix all the water and all the glue together. This looks a lot guys, but this is going to be super fun when we are going to play with it. So yeah, let's just mix. You guys can enjoy the ASMR. This is like so nice. This looks like a magical potion, you guys. As you guys can see, everything is mixed together, and now let's just see the main process of making our activator, which is a no borax activator. So yeah, let's see how we make our activator. So yeah, so the magical ingredient that will help making our slime is boric acid. So yeah guys, it is boric acid, and it is like super cheap, you guys. It's like 25 rupees. It's like literally a magical product, you guys. If you guys don't have any borax, like literally 24/7 the medical shops are open. You guys can literally get this like literally anywhere in India. So this is like super versatile product. But if you want, you can also order it from online. I will give the links in the description below for this boric acid. It's super cheap, don't worry you guys. It's like literally super cheap, and it is super easy to make. So yeah, let's see how we make our slime activator now. So this is how the boric acid looks. It comes in this kind of a packet. So we are going to take a little bit of boric acid. This is actually too much, we don't need that much, but because we are making a super jiggly slime, I think we should take a little bit of boric acid. I think we should make it a little bit stronger, so we are going to take this much. This is like literally too much, you guys, because we have a super jiggly slime. I'm making this, otherwise I will just suggest 1 or 2 chutki of this boric acid. Otherwise it's like so strong, this one. Now we are going to add this much of baking soda as well. We need baking soda to activate boric acid or contact lens solution slimes. So yeah, we need a little bit of water, like kind of, not little bit, a lot of water, like almost half of the container. Also the big thing, which is mixing. You need to mix the boric acid super well. It is like a bit hard to mix boric acid in the water, but it will eventually mix. Let me show you guys. It will be fast forward. So now, as you guys can see, our mixture is almost ready. It has a little bit of powdery substance, that boric acid, but it will not affect our slime. लोग चाहे तो उसको छान सकते हैं, but it will not make any big difference, guys. It is kind of alright, so you guys don't need to take any tensions about that. And now let's start activating our slime. Finally, we are going to mix it like this, and then we are going to add a little bit of activator, little by little, like super little activator at a time. I think we need another bowl for this. Let me go and let me do it in 2 bowls now. Like I got a bit carried away with the water, but it is thicker and it is getting activated. So guys, don't worry, it is getting thicker. And yeah, let me come back with 2 bowls. So fantastics, I have changed my bowl to this bowl, since it is going to be easier to mix it in this bowl. Let's take everything out. As you guys can see, our slime is forming and it is about to form. Let's add a little bit of activator and try to activate it. Now we just need to, like, you know, combine everything. It will, all of it will come together in just one thing like this. Let me show you guys how. You don't need to add any more activator, guys. You just need to do it like this and it will come together, all of it. Just wait and see. fantastic. Now that our slime is done and we are done playing with it, so now we will transfer it back to the airtight container और उसमें हम लोग उसको ढक्कन लगा के क्लियर होने के लिए रख for 1 to 2 days, and then I'll show you guys how it looks. So fantastic. This is how our blue clear jiggly water slime is looking. Oh my god, I'm so obsessed right now. Let me oh my god, can you guys see that? Oh my god, I just cannot, like, how clear is that and how jiggly is that? Oh my god, so fantastic. This is how it looks. You guys can literally see my fingers from there. Guys, this is like literally so jiggly. Now let's just put our hands in there. Can you guys see that? It's not sticking to my hand as well. Oh my god. Let's pour it. Oh my god. Can you guys see that? How jiggly it is. This is how big it is. Let's play now. You guys can see that. It's literally the jiggliest slime I have ever made. Fantastic. That was it. Thank you so much for watching. And if you guys liked today's video and want more videos like this, then make sure you give this video a like and subscribe for more videos. And yeah, as you guys can see on your screen, you can watch this one or this video, whichever you like, and I'll see you guys over on that video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.